All right, so this is my finished look. I'm gonna take you through everything that I used, and yeah. This is the 9021 Snow Palette. So I used the neutral side. I used Sleigh Bells. I used Bungalow Bronze, and I used So Marshmallow. I used Sleigh Bells right here on the inner corner of my eye, and then I used Bungalow Bronze on the inner corner of my eye. Then I used So Marshmallow on like my lower eyelid line. So yeah, that's basically all I did for my eyes. And then the bronzer brush that I used is the 1F. It works super nice, and I loved it so much. Then the Gen glitter that I used was Glitter on Ice. Okay. I used it right on my cheekbones. It was so nice and so highlighting. It highlights so much. So this is the 10K Shine Lip Gloss in Crown Ruby. So nice. And that's how I got my look.